Hi there. This one pose is going to help you with your hips, your back, your range of motion, your ankles, your shoulders. It's like an all-encompassing pose, and it's also kind of like a forward fold, except flips upside down. And you've probably seen this everywhere. It's Happy Baby. We're going to give you some helpful cues just to be in the pose and feel good in the pose. I'm Janel, and I'm here to help you with mobility, flexibility, and strength so you can do all the things that you love right now without pain, without injury, for long term. All you need is your yoga mat, so let's get to it. Lay on your back and just feel your back lengthening on the mat. Draw your knees toward your chest. And what I really think is important to do is bring the knees wider apart versus closer together. It just creates more space and accessibility in the pose. So now dorsiflex the feet and start to lift the feet so you can see your toes, your feet, and your ankles are over your knees. So you're keeping your knees bent. Now here's a couple things. This is what the pose looks like, okay? Now, maybe you're just a little bit tight and the hips or the hamstrings or both, and you're more like this and you can't get your feet. You've got a few options. You can hold on to your ankles and you can just pull down. This is one option. And you can keep the arms straight and you can ground the shoulders and broaden your chest. If that's not accessible, I've got another option. You can hold on to the back of your hamstrings, the back of your thighs, your hamstrings, and just keep the knees bent. This is a tendency to happen, but I really want you to stay in the Happy Baby position and be active so that you can get the full benefit. And you want to make sure your butt doesn't lift off. So you're trying to keep the lower back, the pelvis grounded. So maybe this is the best option for you. So whatever option, here, or here. Last part, when you're going to get the feet, the outer edge of the feet, you don't want the hand outside, you want the elbow inside. It gives you so much more space to get the foot. Now the last part, when you're in this position, is you want to feel the energy. So you're not just hanging out here and just holding on, you're pushing the feet energetically into the palms. And the palms are pulling the feet down. You're trying to get your knees toward your armpits without your butt lifting. So you're trying to keep the back long, your tailbone that way, and holding onto the feet, pushing through the feet, pushing through the heels, heels up, arms down, and pushing into the palms. So there's this tensile energy between the feet and the palms and the whole position of the pose. And then you can just play with rocking side to side, massaging the top of your sacrum. And just make sure you're breathing into the position. And then slowly become still and release. And you can just roll up. Now, if you've tried this pose before and you just get frustrated and it's not working, really try those options, because I work with my clients all different sizes and shapes and ages, and they really experience a difference where they actually enjoy Happy Baby position. And it's a great pose to just open and strengthen a lot of parts of your body. I'm Janel, and I am here to help you with mobility, flexibility, and strength so you can do all the things you love right now without pain, without injury, for long term. Now, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, you can share, and I'm here every week with new material just to help you feel awesome in your body. Now, last thing, there's a link below to sign up for my list, to get on my list, because I share tips on fitness and health that I don't share here on this channel. This is more about all the poses and the exercises, but there's more that I share in the email community. So make sure you get on that to be part of this community going forward. I'll see you next week. Ciao.